welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so we're going for a little shopping. This is where we shop for Jamaican products at this Caribbean store. So I'm gonna shop for some stuff and then I'll show you guys what I get. All right. Yeah, I'll just hold her in my hand. So we're going to the Caribbean market.
This right? Because I didn't know that for them a Walmart.
How much right now?
You don't want to buy some carrots?
Smoked goat head. Sean. Sean. Smoked goat head. Goat frozen whole. Yeah, buy the tickets. Buy two. I have saltfish. I don't need any saltfish. I think I'm gonna get bami. Maybe. The bami expensive, you know. Try the 4-pack one. How much are you want? Try the 4-pack. You want to try that? 2 packs instead of this $5. You want breakfast? Sean, you want breakfast? They look fresh. Giant. want the ginger bulla or
Which one are ginger?
and the top is the ginger with the cayenne? Just the fruit you want. Just the Sean. Sean. The burger. Sean, you have your wallet.
The one next apartment. How they do sell it.
Sell what?
You have to that one house and I don't know
They only have the goat head.
but you can't
Okay guys, we are finished shopping. I could not talk when I was in there because there's a lot of music playing and copyright issues, but we're finished and I'm gonna show you what we got. Yeah, but this is shopping at the Caribbean store. Guys, so I'm back home and I'm gonna show you guys what I got at the Caribbean store and how much they cost. So first, we got some bulla, and I think this is the ginger bulla. We got some goat head, frozen goat head, and this is the mixed goat. So the goat head and the mixed goat. This is really for for Christmas, guys. I have some dried gungo peas, rat cake, yeah, Jamaican style rat cake, and spice bun, 2 spice bun. I think we got 3, but Sean ate 1. And I got some tambourine balls. I like tambourine balls. 2 packs of bami. These are the miniature bamis. Some easy spice meat seasoning. Chippies banana chips. I love Chippies banana chips. I also got some bulgur. So 2 packs of bulgur. I've been wanting to get some bulgur, so I just bought 2 packs. Some soy sauce, instant coffee. I also got Milo, Nestle Milo. 1 pack of vanilla Lasco. And some cherries. These fruits are for baking Christmas cake. So we got some cherries. These are currants. 2 of the currants. Prune. 1 pack prune. And 1 mixed spice. So that's all we got. And it comes with the bill $191.67. So how much in Jamaican is that? But that's all we got at the Caribbean store. And we go there occasionally when we want stuff for the Caribbean stuff. So that's how much we spent today. Okay guys, see you next time.